So, today we're going the Q&A. Only speaking in English, okay?
Okay, mommy.
So, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream, Bella?
Lemon.
How about you, Bless?
Apple.
There's no apple flavored ice cream.
Orange.
That's a fruit. This is an example. My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. How about you? Bless? What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Pineapple.
Okay, so what's your favorite vegetable, Bella?
Vegetable?
Yeah.
Vegetable. Carrots.
Okay, how about you, Bless? What's your favorite vegetable? Faster.
Okay. Grapes.
That's not a vegetable, that's a fruit.
Papaya.
Maybe?
Amo na pwede. May ambat mo.
No, you should speak in English. Papaya is a fruit, it's not a vegetable.
Balonggay.
Okay. What's your favorite fruit, Bella?
Fruits?
Yeah.
It's grapes.
How about you, Bless? What's your favorite fruit?
Orange.
Okay. How about you, Bella? Who's your favorite Lola?
Sa dalong Lola Win.
How about you? Who's your favorite Lola?
Lola Kai.
Lola Kai.
Lola Mommy.
Bella, who's your favorite singer?
Soda Pop.
Singer, not a song.
Soda Pop.
Who sang?
Sing?
Singer.
Singer.
The one who sings the songs. No! Who sang Soda Pop? Who's the singer of Soda Pop?
Ano na tita? No, he sang Ben and Ben.
How about you, Bless? Who's your favorite singer?
Multo.
Multo is a song. It's not a singer.
Is it 1, 2, 3? Basta na sa 1, hindi na tayo na.
Okay. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Where is your favorite place to go?
Ng mga friend?
Where do you want to go?
It's so colored.
You want to go to Bacolod. How about you? Where do you want to go?
Abra.
Abra? Why? What's in
Ito si
Abra?
Daddy. Ito si Daddy.
Oh, your daddy is from Abra? Okay. Which one do you like more, Jollibee or McDo?
No Jollibee and...
Only one. What's your favorite fast food?
Isa...
You have to choose between Jollibee, McDo, KFC, Chowking, Mang Inasal.
KFC.
Okay, how about you?
Mang Inasal.
Why? Why Mang Inasal? Because of Anli rice.
I like
Okay, so that's our Q&A. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.